Today we have partnered with our BFFEs at Pritt to bring you an episode jam-packed full of crafty fun and excitement. Get the Pritt, Marianne. There's it. This video is in aid of Save the Children South Africa, a stunning cause very close to our hearts. Hey Marianne. Children learn best when they feel safe, happy and supported, which is what this organisation strives for. So, without further ado, we bring you the DIY Paper Games. Let's make some DIY paper spinners. Take a square piece of paper, fold it in half, then you open it, fold it in again, like so, and like so. We're going to cut along the line, Marianne, what we do to get the lines. We go like this, then we go this way, then we open it out. Now we're going to put some more glue, close it, fold it in half, and we're just going to cut about 1 centimeter on either side. We go with our Pritt, fold it in. Cupid's shooting this at us. Well, you've got a boyfriend, so don't shoot that into your heart. Snap this one, so you've got 2 little leggies. We're gonna curl the leg. And now we fly! Next up, we're gonna make some paper rockets. Take a piece of square paper, so we fold it in half. Again, fold it in half. Then in a triangle, and we're gonna pinch it. See this kind of thing? Fold in this little guy, fold that in. You know what? It is extremely fitting that we're doing rocket ships today. Do you know why? Because Pritt has been in space. Pritt has gone in a rocket ship to space, guys. They've taken it up into space. And you know what? It worked. And you need Pritt in space. Because, Marianne, everything floats around in space. So I bet you they need Pritt to stick things down. Let's make the legs of the rocket ship now. You just glue these little flappies down. I'm going to zoosh up my rocket ship and draw some windows. If we were to go to space, I'll choose you to be my co-astronaut. Then you open it out. Oh no, look at that little rocket ship. Marianne's one. Shame. We're going to take a couple of bendy straws, tape them to the table, place our rocket over the launch pad. 3, 2, 1. Blow, Marianne. Lift off. I've actually got goosebumps thinking about going to space. Now for some bowling. Let's make some easy peasy bowling skittles. You'll need some toilet rolls, Cokie pens, pom-poms, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, paper, Pritt. Put some glue on your paper. I'm using this glittery Pritt. Take my toilet roll. I'm covering it with this piece of paper. This little yellow strip's gonna be for the face. Make a little mouth. Pop on some googly eyes. Maybe I'll cut out a little hairstyle for him. Don't copy my monster. Use your own creativity. We're going to make enough to bowl them over. Okay, Marianne, you're up first. On your marks. Get set. Bowl. Not bad. My chance. Strike! Is that what they say, Marianne? At the bowling alley. We're going to make our origami infinity spinner. You'll need 8 pieces of colourful paper. You fold it, open it, fold it into another triangle. You fold it in half, half again. Fold each corner into the middle, like so. Then you open it out. Then take the tip to the crease and you fold it over again. Turn the whole thing over. Fold each corner back in on the other side. We want to make a little heart shape. You just give it a little wriggle. You can see the heart shape forming. You press it into place. Repeat with all of your 8 colors. Time to glue it to itself. This is therapeutic. This is like meditation. Look at me, Marianne. Look at this hairstyle. Let's make some Rosette badges to crown the winner of the DIY Paper Games. Spoiler alert, it's me. Marianne's already done a stunning job at making some strips. Let's cut some circles. Cut out a little letter or number. Just glue on your shapes. Glue the center of your 8 strips. Fold in the 2 sides. Now that we've made our little loopies, let's glue them together. Glue on the back of my circle. Pop it in. Take one of these cupcake papers. Flatten it out. And you stick that on in the middle. These rosettis normally have some ribbons coming down. Open up the safety pin. Stick it into the middle. This number 2 is for you, Marianne. You clearly came second today. So there we go. Keep your creativity flowing. DIY because anybody can. Bye! It's waving. Huge thanks to Pritt for sponsoring this video. We love you guys. And to all you creative DIYers, please get involved and tag us in your paper game creations. We would love to see what you make. And remember, we're raising awareness and funds for Save the Children South Africa. Click on the link in the description below for more information and to donate. And let's bring some joy into the lives of children in need.